This is Site 9 at Island Campground, which is outside of Duluth, Minnesota. And it's a 30 amp plus 20 and 110 site with water as well. No sewer, the sewer is at the front of the park. So I'll bring you around here. We're right across from where the garbage and recycling is. And as we're walking through the site, I'll tell you something kind of funny. We had to sign a waiver that had a lot of things in it, basically like if we die on the site, they're not responsible, but also if we get attacked by a bear or a wolf, they're not responsible, because apparently they have both of those at this site, which is not surprising. We're in the middle of the woods. Bears probably like it. So coming around to the side of the campsite, we have a picnic table, a fire ring, and there's a lot of room. You can see it backs up to a wooded area. There are some other campsites beyond it, but you'd have to walk on that path to get there. I feel like it's pretty secluded. It's super quiet, minus the little bit of freeway noise that we hear, but nothing too bad. And then lots of shade at this site too. So it provides a nice canopy and cooling from the sun. This is Site 8, and I'm guessing this is one of the tent sites. They have a couple of them on the property, but you can see it's a little bit elevated and has a picnic table and fire pit. This is Site 10, and it's a really cool site because you kind of are back here a little bit. So you go up the stairs, and then you've got this secluded area with a picnic table and fire pit. There's even a couple pull-through sites, like this is 22, and then over here, I believe that's 21, but both of those are pull-throughs. And even though the sites have water, there's still a potable water spout right here by Site 1. I'm by Site 17, and there are porta-potties back here. Island Campground has a dump station, so you can dump on the way in or the way out. And it also has non-potable water at it. This property is on an old slate mine quarry, and you can see it's fenced off because there's a big hole in the ground, but I'll try to get around to show you. So taking the video through the fence, this is just what it is, basically a pit where there was a slate quarry before, and now it just has water in it. So this is the kayak and canoe launch area. You can see there's a little path down to the river here. And, oh, Frankie, come on, buddy. Ooh, he's excited. So there's not really a beach here, and because we're on a shale mine, it's mostly shale. But you can see it'd be really easy to launch into the river, and there's kind of this little protected area where it doesn't look like it's too rough, and it'd be a good spot to launch your kayak or canoe. This is the office, which is currently closed due to COVID. There's a small playground at the front of the park with swings, and it looks like there maybe was teeter-totters, but not anymore, just swings now.